How to turn on or turn off investment amount. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off investment amount in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to the app IQ option like this, and then you go to the top corner here and those three lines, click on them, and then you will find many options here, and you need to choose the settings option right here and click on trading. And after that you need to go down and you will find the investment amount. You can turn it on or turn it off as you want. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like,